Hey guys, we're out in the orchard because the freezes are coming. We had a couple light frosts, which was nice because it actually makes some of the apples sweeter. But once they freeze completely, it will ruin them. I've got a couple kids picking. Michael, say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Michael's dumping more buckets than he's filling. Grace, say hi.
Hello.
They're picking this Liberty apple. There's a few. A lot of them are kind of done already. We had a windstorm. You can see it blew a ton of the apples off. But there's still some left. Our Honeycrisp is pretty done. And the kids are working up here. Let's see it, Catherine. Wow. All right, you guys. So these are some of our favorite apples. Catherine, say hi.
Hi.
These are called greening apples, Greening. And they look like this, and they're huge. Well, this one's kind of spotty because it's the end of the season. I know, he keeps telling me, he keeps taking bites out of all of them. But these are our favorites for caramel apples because they're giant and they're like a nice tart green apple. And it's just such a hearty treat. So if you can get a greening apple tree growing in your yard, do it. It is just the best. A lot of the apples have fallen from this windstorm. Our Red Delicious is almost done. We've got some Johnny apples over here, Jonathan apples. The Macoons are still out. We have some Fireside apples, which are some of my favorites. Hey, Duke, or Michael. Michael, stop hanging on it, honey. But anyways, so we're gonna finish picking these. Whatever we don't think we can use, we're gonna go drop off at Hunger Task Force. They do accept fresh fruit. If you guys know anybody with an orchard that has fruit to donate. Oh, I see, buddy. All right, everybody, say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye.